Do you know how to say subject pronoun like I, we, you, they, and he, she, it in Japanese? Let's learn how to say them in Japanese. Watashi, watashi, I, watashi tachi, watashi tachi, we, ware, ware, we. Ware is another way to say we in Japanese. Compared with watashi tachi, it sounds more formal and is often used in business, speech, and formal writing. Anata, anata, you. Kimi, kimi, you. Tanaka-san, Tanaka-san, Mr. Tanaka. If you know someone's name, use the name instead of anata or kimi. In Japanese, calling someone by the name is usually more polite and natural than using anata or kimi. Karera, karera, they. あの人たち、あの人たち、they。彼、彼、he。彼女、彼女、she。それ、それ、it。私は学生です。私は学生です。I am a student。私たちは日本人です。私たちは日本人です。We are Japanese。我々は韓国人です。我々は韓国人です。We are Korean people。あなたは何人ですか？あなたは何人ですか？ What is your nationality? If you don't know the person's name, you can use あなた。田中さんは何人ですか？田中さんは何人ですか？ What is 田中さん nationality? If you know the person's name, you should use the name. 彼らは私の友達です。彼らは私の友達です。They are my friends. あの人たちは中国人です。あの人たちは中国人です。They are Chinese people. 彼は私の先生です。彼は私の先生です。He is my teacher. 彼女はこの事務所で働きます。彼女はこの事務所で働きます。She works at this office. それは鈴木さんの鉛筆です。それは鈴木さんの鉛筆です。It is Mr. Suzuki pencil. Now is your turn to practice. How do you say this in Japanese? She is my teacher. The first join. 彼は私の先生です。彼は私の先生です。The second join. 彼女は私の先生です。彼女は私の先生です。Which answer is correct? Please comment your answer below.